the first thing you will need to do is to go to your Play Store and download an app called Ad Blocker VPN. See, Ad Blocker. Just type Ad Blocker. See, it's Blockada. You type it, it looks like this one. And when you install, it helps you to block every advert that comes from apps that are being installed on your mobile phone. Yeah, so that's the first method. The second method is to go to your Chrome, particularly those of us that uses Chrome a lot. Then go to your settings in Chrome, tap on this three dotted line here, and you click the three dotted line at the far end, at the far right of your Chrome, and you click on settings. Then you scroll to your privacy and security. Then you come to ads privacy. You disable this. Then after disabling that, you go back, come to site suggested ad. If this is on, you put it off. Then you just make sure you put off everything that is ticked on. And when you are done with that, this is the second method. Then the third method, the final method, is to go to, this is the major of it all, is for you to go to your settings on your mobile phone. And I don't know, depending on your mobile phone, on this mobile device that I'm using, this Android phone, I click on more connections. Then you will have to locate private DNS. Some other mobile phones, you find other way where you get your private DNS. This last field, private DNS, you click on private DNS. Because I have changed my own, most of it will be in auto. If yours is in auto, you click it off and change it to configure DNS. If it is in auto, you'll be receiving ads when you launch free applications on your mobile phone. But you would have to remove it from off instead of putting it to instead of removing from auto to off, bring it to configure private DNS and delete whatsoever you find there. You may find some other DNS address, maybe dns.family.ad, whatever address that you find, just delete it and put on this address. Type in this address, dns.adguard.com, and that's all. Then minimize installing from trusted websites. So when you do all of these things, you'll be free from receiving you would have blocked ads from your mobile phone. I hope this video helps. If this helps you, please drop a like, drop your comments, like the video, and share your video. Please subscribe to our channel to receive more of this kind of useful video. Thank you.